In this video, we'll see how to identify functions when some mapping or correspondence is given. In the previous video, we had saw how to identify functions when graphs were given. Here, I have some mapping diagrams made for you. Let's see how to identify functions from these diagrams and the like. This is the first diagram given with two sets A and B, and the function is there such as 2 is associated with 5 and 15 both, 4 is associated with 10, 6 is associated with 25, 8 is associated with 20. Let's name the function as f and let's write down the values properly. F of 2, f of 4, f of 6, f of 8. That means what all values or what all images do these first set elements or the domain corresponds to. For 2 we have both 5 and 15. Okay. For 2 we have both 5 and 15. For 4 we have only 10. For 4 we have only 10. For 6 we have 25. For 6 we have 25 and for 8 we have 20. Now there is no problem with 4, 6 and 8 because unique images are existing. But what about the element 2? For the element 2 there are 2 images and not one distinct image. So from 5 and 15 there are 2 images, not one. Hence the definition of function is not followed, which asks for all the elements associated true but only unique images, which is not the case. So this example is not a function. Okay, I would be putting cross for not a function and a tick mark for a function. Let's move on to the next example quoted here. This is the second example. Mapping is given from A to B. Let's name the function again as f, which is a mapping from A to B. Now, A, B, C correspond to the domain P, Q, R, means the codomain. Let's write what is f of A, what is f of B and what is f of C. F of A means what is the image of A? The image of A is P. F of B means what is the image of B? The image of B is Q. And f of C means what is the image of C? The image of C is R. Now, we have these 3 images PQR for these 3 elements ABC. Let's see the rules of function are followed or not. The first rule said that all elements of the first set should be associated. Yes, all elements are associated. The second rule said that there should be unique images. Yes, there are unique images. Both the conditions followed. Hence, this is an example of the function. So, we have seen 2 examples by now, one of a function and one not of a function. Let's increase our skills with some more examples. Let's see example number 3. Example number 3 has again a mapping given from A to B. So, let's name it as a function from A to B. There are different elements and there are different elements here also. Let's write it. What do we mean by f of A? F of A has basically N and M, 2 elements. So, 2 elements as images. Let's see what is f of B and let's see what is f of C. F of B is what? F of B is nothing but N. And f of C is what? F of C is O. Now, we have 2 images corresponding to one single element of A, which should not have been the case because a function exists only when 2 conditions are followed. All elements associated true, all elements associated and unique images, but L and M both are there in one image. So, this is not a function again. With this understanding of 3 examples, let's move to the next example number 4. Example number 4 again has a mapping, a function from A to B. and we have 4 elements in A and 4 elements again in B. Let's write it down. What do we have in f of A, f of B, f of C and f of D? F of A means what is A associated with? A is associated with W. F of B means what is B associated with? B is associated with X. F of C means what is C associated with? C is associated with Y. F of D means what is D associated with? D is also associated with Y. You see here this Z is missing. This Z does not have any pre-image. This is possible for a function. We have already studied this. Now, some people, some students might get confused that these are matching. Both are Y. But remember the definition of function. Get reminded of it once again. Definition of function was what? All the elements of the first set should be associated, followed, all the elements are associated. The second was there should be unique images. Unique word is very much important. There are no double images. In the previous examples where it was not a function, what was the difference? That 2 had 2 images, 5 and 15. Here there was not a big deal because it was a function. Here what was there? A had 2 images, L and M. Here nothing has 2 images. It is just that the image are matching. So it is a function. This is important, a bit confusing, but if you have the basic definition knowledge, then this cannot be a problem for you, right? Let's move to the last example, a different variety question, example number 5. Example number 5 shows 2 sets again, A and B, and it is a mapping from A to B, a correspondence, a function. A, B, C are 3 elements of set A. P, Q, R are 3 elements of set B. Let's see what is f of A, what is f of B and what is f of C. F of A means what is A associated with? A is associated with P, okay. F of B means what is B associated with? B does not have any association. So this corresponds to nothing. And f of C means what is C associated with? C is associated with R, as you can see in the diagram. Now, is this a function? Get reminded of the definition of the function again. The definition of the function said that in the domain all elements should be associated. All elements associated? No, B is not associated at all. So, this is not a function. Hence, in these 5 examples, we studied how to identify functions when some mapping or correspondence is given.